Musical psychotherapy. The influence of music and rhythmical breathing on neuroses, general health and capacity of work. Method of Peter J. Stankovic, M.D.
The method of musical psychotherapy, which we demonstrate here, is most effective, pleasant, and easily applied. It aims at activating the vital energy which is more or less hidden in every person. This method, which is the result of long years of practical experience and scientific research, consists of a combination of rhythmical yoga breathing, the influence of blue light, and specially selected melodies. The breathing technique used here consists of inhalation, holding the breath, and exhalation. All three phases are of equal length and in conformity with the normal pulse rhythm. During 4 pulses, one inhales. During another 4, the air is kept in the lung, and during the following 4, one exhales. After exhaling, there is no pause, but one proceeds immediately to the next inhaling. This rhythmical breathing, which lasts about 5 minutes, results in a general relaxation of the muscles, a slowing of the thinking process, and the cessation of all unpleasant and noxious sensations. The selected melodies act very favorably on a nervous system prepared in this way. At the time the music is played, a blue light is on. It is well known that such a light has a soothing influence on the human psyche. The music is arranged in 4 phases. It is the purpose of the first 3 phases to rid our thoughts and emotions of all noxious and unpleasant stresses. During the 4th phase, all forces available in the body are roused and activated. The transition period between the 3rd and 4th phases is of special significance, inasmuch as during the same, the main conditions are being triggered which enable the available but hidden vital energy to come to full expression. Our method of musical psychotherapy greatly benefits both sick and also healthy persons. By creating a condition of psychical harmony, inner rest and balance, It facilitates the normal activity of all organs of the body, mobilizes their defensive forces, and elevates the mental and physical capacities. This method is especially effective in combating all types of neuroses, this burning social problem of our time. So, musical psychotherapy has these results. First, removal of all negative thoughts, feelings, and pathological psychic conditions. Second, healing of all psychogenic diseases and neuroses, including alcoholism. Third, augmenting the capacity for work as well as endurance in sports. Fourth, strengthening of mental capabilities, attention, concentration, and memory. Fifth, achievement of psychical harmony. It is of particular importance that the result achieved is not limited to the brief time of the musical presentation, but rather remains evident even a long time after. Accordingly, the systematic employment of our method of musical psychotherapy leads within a comparatively short span of time to a complete mental and physical reorientation. Now, having stated the necessary explanations mentioned above, we now turn to the practical part. In order personally to experience the beneficial effect of musical psychotherapy, one should sit down comfortably on a chair or lie down on a couch. The room, which was well aired before, will be dimmed, lit only by a blue bulb. Now, we breathe according to the rhythm of the metronome, which corresponds to the normal rhythm of the heart. We shall begin with this type of breathing following the next music piece. This breathing technique may appear somewhat difficult to some. However, we should really try to keep this rhythm, for it is of great importance. Whoever may not be able to keep up right away should make a short pause and then continue again. Now breathe deep. Hold your breath. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, join in. Inhale deep. Hold your breath. Exhale. Inhale. Hold your breath. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale deep. Hold your breath. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale deep. Hold your breath. Exhale. Inhale. Hold your breath. Exhale. Breathe in deep through your nose. Hold the air. Breathe out. That's good. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. Hold it. Exhale. Only a little more. Inhale. Hold it. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. Hold it. Exhale. Once more. Inhale. Hold your breath. Exhale. So that's enough. Now we come to the first part of the music. Make yourself comfortable and listen attentively.
Guten Abend, gut Nacht, mit Rosen bedacht, mit Näglein besteckt, schlupf unter die Deck. Morgen früh, wenn Gott will, wirst du wieder geweckt. Morgen früh, wenn Gott will, wirst du wieder geweckt. Guten Abend, gut Nacht, mit Englein bewacht, die zeigen im Traum dir Christkindleins Baum. Schlaf nun selig und süß, schau im Traums Paradies. Schlaf nun selig und süß, schau im Traums Paradies.
Now a certain calming and relaxation is already happening. Before we turn to the second phase, we shall once more breathe rhythmically. Now once again, breathe nice and deep. Inhale, hold your breath, exhale. Inhale, hold it, exhale. Inhale deeply. Hold your breath. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe deep. Hold it. Exhale. With your full chest deep in. Hold it. Breathe out. Inhale. Hold your breath. Exhale. Now that's enough. Now we embark on the second phase. The general calming and relaxation is continuing increasingly. We feel very well and perceive a mild feeling of heaviness in our feet and hands. Well, now we come to the third phase. Everybody who has been breathing rhythmically up to now experiences already a general feeling of well-being and advanced relaxation. Before we go on, however, we have to breathe deeply and rhythmically once again. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe deep. Hold your breath. Exhale. Inhale. Hold it. Exhale. Inhale. Hold it. Exhale. Inhale. Hold your breath. exhale. Breathe real deep. Hold it. Exhale. Once more. Inhale. Hold it. And exhale. So, well for now. Now, everybody should make himself as comfortable in his seat as possible and listen attentively. That was the end of the third phase. We feel extremely well, physically as well as mentally. All unpleasant thoughts and emotions have disappeared. We feel an inner calm and contentment. We are happy. Power, time and space merge in one great unity together with us. Now we extinguish also the blue light and remain for 1 minute in the dark and in complete silence. All who up to now have listened attentively and breathed rhythmically experience now a sensation of levity. Some may even imagine as though they were floating in the air. It is a sensation which cannot be described, an indescribable feeling of happiness, a feeling of inner safety, of rest, of infinity, of eternity. Such a happy feeling we had when as babies we rested in our mother's arms. In front of our closed eyes we may see certain colors or even pictures or whole scenes. One should not be disturbed by this, for all this means is only a very favorable effect of the music and the rhythmical breathing. Very well. Now we come to the fourth phase, to quickening, lively music in full light. All vital powers are now liberated and come into full play. Now we are loosened up and relaxed so that our available vital energy can come to full expression. This musical psychotherapy is an extremely effective deep psychological method and shall be used by sick people, if possible, every day. It is an important adjunct with every medical treatment. It activates the natural defense mechanism to a high degree and so accelerates healing. For healthy persons, it is enough to use it once or twice a week to facilitate the daily work considerably. The beneficial relaxation and activation of latent vitality enable everybody to cope more easily and effectively with his vocational tasks. For students, it makes studying easier, and sportsmen have higher achievements in this way. The musical psychotherapy causes a general calming as well as a heightening of the physical and mental capacities. One should now close one's eyes and leave oneself for a few minutes to the pleasant relaxation and general refreshment. We now enjoy the most comfortable feeling of strength and joy.